Hello everyone, it's Mr. Wolfe here, and in this video I am going to be explaining how our body maintains blood glucose levels, specifically using the hormone glucagon. Alright, so glucagon is going to be used when blood glucose levels get low. So what could cause that to happen? Well, maybe you just haven't eaten in a while and your cells need energy. Luckily you have some glucose going around the blood, and that glucose could go to certain cells, but the problem now is that you are running out of glucose fast and you have very low blood glucose levels. Alright, this could kind of make you almost tired, hangry, right? Another thing that could cause this is, let's say that you are going to basketball practice and you just start running right away. Pretty soon, you're using up glucose in your muscles, and that glucose is going to go from your bloodstream to the muscles, and now you're also running out of glucose in your bloodstream. So you need a way to get more energy so you can keep on exercising for that whole practice, not just a few minutes. So what's going to happen is when, let's say, you're exercising, all right, that glucose, let's say it's going to the muscles, right, it's being used for energy, right, we're low on blood glucose levels, right, what's going to happen is your pancreas is an organ that's going to sense that. Oh shoot, we are very low on on glucose in the blood, and it's going to secrete this hormone called glucagon. All right, that glucagon is going to travel through the bloodstream, and it's going to attach to liver cells, it's going to attach to muscle cells, and it's going to also attach to fat cells as well. All right, what it tells these cells to do is, hey, get rid of your glucose if you have any stores. And your liver has a ton of glucose. It's stored as glycogen, so that glycogen breaks down into the individual glucose molecules, and that your liver will send out some of that glucose into the bloodstream. All right, the glucagon will tell fat, hey, you need to start breaking down some glucose. Right? Now, not a lot of this glucose is actually going to go into the bloodstream because it's the muscle. The muscle is going to use this glucose for itself right here. But the glucagon is also going to go to the fat if needed, and the fat cells are going to convert their fat back into glucose, and that glucose could go into the bloodstream as well. All right. Now, I'd say the main organ that really deals with this would be probably the liver. All right. The fat cells do too, but your liver has a ton of glycogen storages. So that releases glucose into the bloodstream, and then that glucose could go to your muscles, it could go to your brain, your kidneys, all the other organs that need that glucose. So notice that we were at 4 glucose molecules initially, we went down to 1, we were on low blood glucose, and now we're back to homeostasis, we're back to those 4 glucose molecules. Thanks for watching.